Want to add a touch of everlasting elegance to your home? Let's make these beautiful pipe cleaner anthuriums. First, grab a red pipe cleaner and twist the ends together to form an oval loop. Next, take a few more red pieces, fold them, and twist them firmly onto the loop to build out the frame. Now, shape a sharp triangle piece and attach it to the base. This is what gives our flower its distinct structure. Take a long red stem and weave it straight down the center to create a solid main spine. Carefully wrap more pipe cleaners horizontally back and forth to fill in the petal. Take your time to keep it nice and tight. Secure the loose ends at the bottom, making sure the entire frame is fully covered. Grab your scissors or pliers and gently trim the edges into a smooth, clean heart shape. Quickly pass a lighter along the edges to clean up any loose fuzz and crisp up the overall look. For the Spadix, trim down a bright yellow pipe cleaner to give it a nice velvety texture. Thread that yellow center right through the middle of your red petal and secure it firmly at the back. And there you go, a stunning handmade anthurium that will never fade.